Another perfect day in Sprunky. Everyone is singing, dancing, and having fun. Oh, without me. I'm not sure why I'm so different, but I've never fit in with the others. Something about me has always been off. One day, long ago, I tried to join in on the Sprunky song, but it didn't go as planned.
Gray? What was that?
I'm just trying to sing like everyone else.
That wasn't singing. That was humming at best. And it was so bad.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Just stay quiet from now on, okay? You're ruining the song for everyone else.
Oh, alright. I don't know how the other people of Sprunky stay happy all the time. I'm always sad for some reason. If I could be happy, I would, but there's just so much that could go wrong. From then on, I spent most of my days alone. Everyone really is better off without me around.
What are you looking at?
Nothing. I was just thinking about...
You can't join in on the song anymore, so stop trying.
You know what happened last time.
I know. That's not what I...
Get out of here, scram!
Hey! You leave Gray alone! He's not even bothering you!
He's killing the vibe.
Well, you're killing my vibe by being jerks!
Whatever. We'll find somewhere else where we aren't being stalked by some freak.
Sorry they were bugging you. Most people here are so happy all the time. You just don't know how to handle someone different.
I get it. I'm depressing. Nobody likes me.
I like you.
Wait. Really?
Do you want to join me on a picnic? It's my treat.
Wenda was the only person to ever treat me with kindness, and she quickly became my best friend. At least for a while.
Well, well, well. Are we having a party?
We, sure are. You want to join?
I'm getting a really bad feeling about this guy.
You get a bad feeling about everyone. Come on, get some food. We can turn this into a welcome party.
I think I'm gonna hang back.
Gray, you know you're my friend, but you can't expect others to like you if you're not even going to try to have fun.
Hey, man, what's your name?
They call me Black.
Makes sense given your lack of color. Nice to meet you.
Is everything all right, my boy?
Gray, wait, stop!
Why? You here to bully me some more?
No, I think you're onto something about Black. Something's not right. I sense a darkness inside him.
So, what brings you to Sprunky? We don't get a lot of visitors around here.
I merely go wherever the wind takes me.
Oh, don't worry. I got it. What the? What's happening to me?
Oren, are you okay? I feel different.
Give me back the hat, Ratty.
Never!
Oren, Ratty, stop! What's gotten into you two?
Yes, release the anger within. Excellent work! I can see you're much more powerful than your pathetic little comrades.
Need more bloodshed!
Wenda, is it? If you join me, you will get to kill to your heart's content. Will you help me in my mission to rule this world?
Yes! Sprunki must fall!
Wenda, this is insane. She would never hurt anyone. I have to help her. Watch out! I have to keep moving. Find somewhere that's... Huh? You're alive!
Barely. I came out mostly unscathed. But Garnold and Clucker weren't so lucky.
Wenda got me not long after she turned.
And Black smashed me right in the head.
Thankfully, I found them as I was escaping. Without me, they would have been goners. Right now, I'm using my genius computer brain to draft a revenge plan.
I still don't understand how Black did this to everyone.
It must have been the hat. Anytime anyone touched it, they turned. That's gotta be the source of the power. So if we defeat Black and destroy the hat, the town might go back to normal. But that means we have to take down Wenda too.
We can't hurt Wenda. She's our friend.
Not anymore!
Wenda, please. This isn't you. You're no killer. You don't have to do this.
Quiet! You don't know me! I am Carnage! I am death!
Get out of here! Scram!
Sorry they were bugging you. Do you want to join me on a picnic? It's my treat! What? What happened?
Black took over Sprunki. And you.
And you killed people!
I didn't mean to. How can I make this right?
Help us destroy Black for good. It's our only chance to get everything back to normal.
I'll do everything I can.
I knew the real you was inside there somewhere.
What did he do? What have I done?
You can't think about that right now, Wenda. We have work to do.
Wow, I'm impressed. I did not believe anyone would manage to survive this long. And Wenda, my dear, what happened to you? You lost your power.
Killing is not my power. My power is friendship, and you took that from me.
And I'll do it again. Just watch me.
It's on, Black. We're gonna take you down once and for all.
I wouldn't be so sure of that, little one.
What the heck is that?
It doesn't matter. We have to... Ah!
Funbot, no! This is all my fault.
No time for regrets. We have to fight.
My dear Wenda, won't you come back to my side? The dark side.
Never again.
Well, unfortunately, you don't get much of a choice in the matter.
No, you can't stop violence with more violence.
What are you talking about? Stab him. Free me.
He wants us to fight. That's what releases the anger inside us. There's only one way to defeat him.
You did it, Gray! You saved me!
You saved everyone.